Oh, hello, today we're going to see how to compile and run a Java program using command line. So first what we'll do, from the search area of our Windows, we find command line. We're going to check here to compile a Java program using command line. We're going to use javac, which is Java compiler, then to execute the program. So Java is used to execute the program, So what we will do after we opened our command line, we will check that whether this command line is configured or not. Let us start from Java. What it says, javac is not recognized as internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Again, if we check Java is generated since it is by default configured. So what we will do, we have to configure the path to make it internally recognized Javas. So for this case, what we'll do, we'll clear the screen as of now. Then we'll open my computer, go to my computers here, then right click here on my computer, right click, then go to properties, then we go to advanced system setting. In the system properties, we'll go to environment variables. In the environment variables, after we opened, we go to system variables here. Then we find for paths. Here is path. Then we make it edit. We have to make it edit. Now if you check here inside this path, both Java part is not included, JDK and JRE. So what we will do, in the configuration file, in the configuration of the path, we configure both, JDK and JRE. We are going to configure these two pages. So what we will do here, in this part, again we go to local disk. We'll go to local disk C, then program files, then we go to Java. After that, we are going to provide these two paths, the binary of these two paths into the environment variable. So what we'll do, we'll open JDK, then binary. We select this path at the top. We select and copy this path, go back here, then we come back to our environment variables, then click new, then we paste it, then make it okay. Again we come back to the JRE. Again we come back to the JRE part. Say back, again back. Here is for JRE. I'm using JDK 1.8 version 151 for both JDK and the JRE. Again, we open this one, this binary part, then copy the path, then we include it. In the path again, we make it edits, then new, we paste it. Both JDK and the JRE, now they are included. Both JDK and the JRE, they are included. We'll make okay. From all sides, from environment variables, again make it okay. And then we close this part. Then what we'll do here, we'll check again Javas. After that, the path should have to be recognized. We'll restart. What it says, Javas is not recognized, then you have to restart it. Just restart the command line. Go to start button, then command cmd. We'll open this part, then we'll check Java C. We'll check for Java C, Java compiler. We'll make it in there. Then now it is recognized. Again, we'll check for Java. It is also previously recognized. Again, this is. So let me clear the screen. Let me clear the screen and come to the code. Here we have written this code previously. You remember this part. So what we will do, I will copy all this code without including the package. I'll copy all this code without including the package. The package, it needs another procedure to implement using command line, but for now, we'll use exceptional part of the package. We will not copy the package. Then copy this part till this line of code. We'll copy it. Then open notepad. We will open notepad here. Then we paste here. Let me minimize the size. Then I'm just going to create a folder. I'm going to create a folder in the local disk. Start E. Then in the local disk E, what I say, let me create a folder with sample folder. Sample with the name sample. Then I'm going to save this file, this notepad code, in the sample code with a javac. I'm going to make it file, then save, select the path, go to computer, then see, I'm going to look for sample. Here is sample. Then what I'll do, my class name, what is my class name? Circle area. The file name that gonna to be saved here should be the same with this class name. Then I'll make paste it .java. Then I'll make this part file name circle area .java, save as type, all files, then save here with .java. Then we're going to check the file. Now here circle area .java. Then what we'll make here, you have to compile the file. When you compile the file, they bind the path. To make it, to get the path, what we'll do is, on this part, on the path of my folder nc, I'll write cmd. Automatically the path is going to be completed. Then here C in the sample, my class is already there, Java C, then circle area. I'll make it in here. Circle area dot class is generated the bytecode. Then what next? I'm going to run Java circle area without extension. To execute the program, we are going to use Java circle area here. Then what says enter the address. Let me enter. T provides the output here. Such kind of case, what we call them, they are executing a program using command. This is all about for executing any program. So you can do for any kind of programs. You can execute using command line. Thank you for your follow. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next time.